Donk. Donk. It's okay, can you go over there? You show me how you can go over there. You go. Should we put the bottle on here? You go across there to get it. Clever girl. What if we put the bottle over here, Papa? Should we put the bottle over here? Can you come over here and get the bottle? You have to go to the table first. You can do it. Clever girl, and then if we put the bottle over here, you come over here and get it. Hooray! You did it! Clever girl.